Welcome, today I am with KIA Sportage Key and I will show you how we can exchange battery in this key. So at the first, we have to open our key by pressing this button, just like that. And next, we have to remove that part. So we have to raise that plastic material. You can put your finger between these two parts, just like that, and remove it. As you can see, it's very easy. You can make it gently and try to don't break anything. As you can see here, we got the battery. So to make it, you have to simply put your finger here or any kind of the tool, injector, then remove battery and input the new battery back. After that, you can just put this cover back, like that. Then press for the left and the right side. When you will hear that sound, it means that it jumped on the place, and we can just close that key. As you can see, it's very simple. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.